Alright, I guess we're going to the tent. Pale Rider wanted me to film with him here. Like my compromise, I'm doing the, instead of the big ass stick, I'm doing
Let me say my piece. I want to say my sentence like Ernest T. Bass had to say his sentence. Snow Lord was not going to take his camera to the truck show. He is a YouTube trucker and he was not going to take his camera. So I made him. I forced him to do it, so now he's going to do it. Oh yeah.
Alright, meanwhile Provost, he's well prepared. Let's look at Provost's setup. Look at that. That's what I need. The hat, the hat deal. I tried mounting this on a hat and it didn't work. Got the big electronic. Yeah. There's truck. Yeah. He's got it all shiny. Creaked. Right. Under 100?
I do that every time.
Except for the heat index.
Yeah, that's what kills.
What, you keep your head in?
Yes.
All right. Always go with the tradition of back of the bus.
Yes, no, Lord, this is a tradition.
This is a tradition.
Yes, it is.
We got right in the back.
Yeah.
Let's see the.
I'll let you.
Oh, good. Take up 2 seats. We got the whole bus.
Hell yeah. Pale Rider's got to do his thing.
I do my yearly.
Oh, there he is. Okay. Yeah, we got to do. Is it upstairs? It's upstairs. These registration. I'm pointing with the camera like an idiot. All right. Let's go upstairs. Steve, right here. Mansion. Fancy meeting you.
Yeah, fancy meeting you again.
Yeah.
Sure.
You
guys having a good time at the show?
Huh?
You guys having a good time at the show?
We just got here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just got here like an hour ago, so. In the air this year. Let's go get some free coffee with the 123 Lowboard booth. Or, I'm sorry, Thunder Funny booth. Whatever it is. Not Pale Rider song.
What? We never left from last year.
I know. Everything's the same. Alright, let's go get our cup of coffee. I don't even see Jeff. Where's Jeff? Where's Jeff? Oh, he's over there.
Hiding.
Let's surprise him.
Max is really big, you know.
Oh!
There's Steve.
What's up, Snowlord? Hey, look at him. Look at him. Look at this guy.
And if you've got friends that are around in the area, give them a call, give them a text, tell them to come on over and make sure that they're getting some great information. And I forgot to do my clicker through my slides so far. Today you're going to be able to make some, I'm going to give you Walmart in the herb section. You can buy organic ones. If you can, they're usually not much different in price. Try to get the organic ones that haven't been sprayed if you can.
What up?
What's
How's it going,
going
man?
on? Hey, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you? Yeah.
The most famous Norlord, man. Look at you. You looking great.
Thanks.
Man,
Thank
you
you,
looking
thank you.
good, brother.
Thank you.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Look who's too good to toss it. Have you had fun so far? Good deal. Let's see your bag of goodies. Did you get a whole bunch?
Not a whole lot. Got some hats.
When you're a show veteran like us, you don't need all the stuff. But we're here at the right way. I bought the suspension gauge. Oh, here we go. And we're getting free stuff, I guess. Anyways, we're resting. This is the first time I've sat down since lunch. And, you know, but feel pretty good. Feel pretty good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Flashlight. I'll take it. Hill Rider stole my flashlight.
Yeah, nice flashlight.
Yeah.
Giving them away.
Oh, if you buy a scale.
You gotta buy a
Magnetic on this end.
Oh, yeah.
YouTube channel.
You got a what?
You're gonna promote something you don't have on the trucks. What'd you do? It's all wet.
Gary can't walk away from me when I was talking to him.
Hell Rider don't get no respect, right? Oh well, what are we gonna do?
That's nice flashlight.
It is. Cedar Creek Outdoors. Wow. We're heading back to the bus before the rush starts, so. Ooh. All right. Excuse me. Oh, let's jump. Jump. All right. Get on the bus. Day 1 for me, but 2 for the show in the books.
Look at this hat this guy has. You didn't get you one?
I got one too. I have to promote it later. Asia Ma show. One's on the bus. Look, it's easier to get to the aisle too. All right.
Well, we could be sitting here for a while. Good thing I got some iced tea.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the same seating assignments.
Yep. All right. Let's look at all the people. Okay. Well, that was day 1 for me. Day 2 of the show. So we got back to the trucks and we're just gonna chill out, let it cool down a little bit. We go use the restroom and maybe get something to drink.
Oh my gosh.
How's it going,
The
sir?
Man, how are you, brother?
How
It's
you
good to
doing?
see you. Yeah, you look fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we're out here working.
So am I. Look, I'm
Hey.
doing my little pathetic thing.
Hey,
That's
steady.
real equipment right
Those
there.
are good though. Solid. Yeah. Those are good. Is that the session 5?
No, it's just the Hero $150 version.
It works. Just job done.
See that? Checks Crowley approved. Yeah.
I approve of it because I had one.
Got to start somewhere, right?
That's right. You do.
Hang out.
All right,
Provost's truck. I can't squeeze in here. Ooh, look at the boat guys. Ah, you got the fancy chairs. Nice dang truck. Oh, we're in Pale Rider's way. Holy crap, the room in this thing. Jeez.
Shut the tent, Max Mountain.
chance of space in here. Check it out. All right, let's watch Pale Rider do his Friday Night BS. Pretty cool.
Like a little thing I got my
Not bad though. There's videos on that. Didn't that guy make videos?
He's got two cats in the truck. They're just sitting there. That's not him, is it? Is that him? Oh yeah, that's him. Yep. That's Make Sense Sammy's truck right there. Look at me. Hi, kiddies. That one didn't look too happy. The cat's like, well, day number 2 by myself. Always take a little bit of time for myself, and probably meet up with Ratman Roden today. And Pale Rider, I think, is going. He's leaving out today, so we won't see him today. And then I got a few contacts to make today, so. But yeah, so feeling pretty good. Feet feel pretty good. Had a shower this morning, and let's go see. Let's go see what's going on. Another YouTuber with a hood. Check it out.
Now I gotta ask. I heard you say, "Don't go to MHC Dallas." Is that the one you said?
I might have said that.
What? So I'm just curious why. So
Check it out. I've got a hood. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Tell them to give me a shout. I appreciate it.
Will do. All right. See white walls on the truck. And he hand painted those.
Yeah.
Definitely ain't hauling freight like that truck. That steering wheel's crazy, dude.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Did you guys get the bell and the lights? I'm about to hit it now if you want to see that.
Sure.
Cool.
Hey, he's gonna hit the bell. Check it out.
You can go on the right side.
Oh, okay.
Everybody else is standing.
Oh, wow. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look at the leather. That's very interesting. Huh, look. That's pretty cool. This is by far the most interesting truck I've seen yet. Look at those welds. What's this one called? It's the rat rod section. Here's your sleeper. Barbed wire. That's pretty. Yeah, I can't wait to see your footage. Here's the school bus. Lights. That's pretty cool. That'd be a good one. Stick the camera in there. Ovals. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Get yourself an old F-250. You can go to town.
I don't know. I don't think I drive. Wow.
Probably cost as much as they care to get it done.
That's cool. Have you had fun? Ratman, have you had fun? See? Have you guys had fun?
Woo, yeah.
We're over it, so we're leaving. And we're not taking the charter bus because Ratman's got the rolling wheels for us. So we're going back to the parking lot. We're in the parking garage. It's hot down here. Yeah. I get shotgun because I'm cool. guys behave back there. Look, his mirror's broken.
Where we're going? 1303, I believe.
1330. That's the only thing that kind of makes me nervous. That's instinct right there.
Bright light.
Here in the GATS parking lot, and last year, you know, they had the cricket infestation underneath all the porta potties. Well, everybody that's pulled out, these crickets are hanging out around the tires, right? These are all crickets. So the birds are having a field day. Like, there's some near me. They're all hanging out underneath the truck. See, these are all live. They're all live. So when I pull out, there's going to be a ton of crickets popping out. I just thought that's interesting. So Kaislyn was on the other side. Let's go over and look. I'm the last one left. You know, Chuck and Kaislyn have already left. Yeah, see, there's the carnage that they left. So, yeah. Oh well. Yeah, everybody's. I can't leave yet because where I'm picking up is only 20 miles away. My pickup's not till 2:30, and this place won't let you in more than an hour early. But it's only a 100-mile trip. Pretty good rate on it for the day. It got me out of here. There were a lot of people that were struggling out of here. But anyways, just thought that was a little tidbit there. Yeah. Well, another GATS is in the books. And I want to thank everybody that we hung out with. Charles Anderson, his son Dominic, Provost Motorsports, Asia My Show, Pale Rider, Jason Perry, Kaislyn. Yep, even you, Kaislyn. Everybody else that we hung out with. Michael Dow brought us food, and we appreciate you, Michael. You know, it was really fun. It was cool to hang out with Jeff and Ratman Roden. Ratman gave me some cameras stuff, so I appreciate you. It was good to meet him in person finally. And all in all, it's been pretty good. You know, this I did it right this year. I did it to where I didn't lose a whole lot of revenue, and you know, it was fun. I will say this though, attendance was way down, and the amount of booths and companies and show trucks and everything else, it was a lot lower this year. And if anything, it can kind of tell you the temperature of the climate of the industry. There are people that live for this show that left early after seeing what it's kind of turned into. So, you know, just, you know, proceed with caution when it comes to stuff with the economy and everything. You know, and this is a great indicator of how things are right now. But if you've made it this far, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, see my live updates, click like, subscribe, and click the bell notification. And thanks to everyone that made this a pretty cool 34-hour reset. So tomorrow, to go pick up our load out of Wilmer, and then we'll head north. So it's been hot, but it wasn't too bad tonight. So thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the metal to the pedal. Or keep the pedal to the metal. Duh. All right, man. See you.